When you apply or respond to a post, it is possible that you are called for an interview. Now, which things are primarily important as far as an interview is concerned? After all, interview is a test or an examination of your knowledge in the concerned subject. How it is tested? Once you apply for a job, it is possible that you are likely to be called for face-to-face interview with the prospective employer. Most of the time nowadays there is variety in an interaction. First thing, an employer wants to share his idea and then he asks your idea. Most of the time interview can be at a single level, that is you are the only participant. Sometimes the questions are asked. In some cases, there is a group discussion. There is a panel which asks you a question, a number of questions. And this interview can take place for more than half hour, more than 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever it might be. Means when you are called for an interview, an employer wants to test your skills. An employer does not want only, or an employer does not want only to appoint you, but moreover, an employer wants more things from you. Now, in these cases, as far as the candidate is concerned, what is essential? Your knowledge is most of the time important. How the knowledge is tested? In an interview, you are asked a number of questions. And it is expected that you should answer them. Means question answer method most of the time is employed. After all, remember that an interview is a formal meeting where one or more persons ask a candidate several questions. Why this takes place? Because the purpose of the interview is to find out whether the candidate is suitable for a job or not. In an interview, remember that you have to show, you have to expose your performance. This performance is most of the time important. And therefore, in an interview, As far as there are number of interview etiquettes, most of the time the questions are asked based on the common knowledge of an interview.